Good morning, everyone. A good Tevach. Shavua Tov. We're continuing here in the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, and we're learning over here the halachas of transferring from one domain to another. And we mentioned last week that if a person has an enclosed area, Rishus HaYachid, that's surrounded by a fence, and there would be a breach in that fence, as long as it's not larger than Yud Tfachim wide, so then it would be considered an opening, and you would still be allowed to carry. It wouldn't be considered to be a hole that destroys the fence. It would be considered like an opening, like a doorway, and you would still be able to carry inside of that area. However, he writes today, Zesha Amanu, this that we said, when we said that if the breach in the wall of this chutzah, this courtyard, is no wider than 10 amos, which we said is approximately an am is about 1.5 feet. So you're talking over here about maybe 14 feet or so, 15 to 18 feet is what we said. So if you have a breach in the wall that is no more than that, Nechshav Kama Pesach, we said, is considered an entranceway. Ve'eno tzarich tikun, you don't have to fix it up. You can still carry in the area. However, zehu rak b'pritza achas. That's only if you have one breach in the fence. So everything else is solid, and this one area over here is 10 amos or less, which is about 15 to 18 feet. And we say, therefore, it's considered to be an entranceway, an opening to the courtyard, and it's okay. But if you have 2 or more places that were breached, then they have a new halacha. If you have 2 or more places where there's breaches in the fence, then you have to make a calculation over here. And that is that the oimid has to be meruba ala paretz, which means the fencing, the wall that is left, has to be greater than the paretz and that which is opened up. However, if the opening is greater than the oimid, than that which is standing, the walls over there, then you're in trouble, says the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, called Shapirtza Yosim Gimel Tfachim. Any pirtza, any breach which is more than Gimel Tfachim wide, which is not that much, Tzrichin Tikun needs to be fixed. So if you have, and it sounds like over here from the Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, even if the openings of these numerous pirtzas, breaches, are less than 10 amos, nevertheless the walls themselves are less now than the breaches, then you'd have to fix up the breach before you're allowed to use it. So again, 10 amos, 15 feet by itself, is considered an opening. If you have more than one breach in the wall, now you have to see what's more in my wall now, the breached area or the walled area. And if the breached area ends up being more, you're not allowed to carry there until you end up fixing up the breaches, and we're going to speak about tomorrow how to fix them up with something called Eitzuras HaPesach, and that we're going to explain as Hashem tomorrow. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.